let me take a quick sip. Okay, back to the video. Hey, what is up, my Tree Squad? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, let me just take a sip. Okay, back to the video. Anyways, I hope your day has been good, but better watching today's video. I know my uploads have been a little late, but I'm super excited for the house tour today. I decorated this house completely with my mom and did it all on my own. So yeah. Also, just telling you guys, shoutouts are in the end of today's video, so make sure you watch to the end so you can go follow them on TikTok if you have TikTok. Obviously, if you don't worry about it. Anyways, this video is kind of long, so I'm sorry, but there's a lot to get into, so let's just get started with the house tour. Okay, so this is the entrance area. It is super cute and very modern. So basically, where should I start? Okay, so here is this basket with some envelopes and stuff. It's like my mailbox. I got it from the home design store, the Huss store. And I got the cards and stuff from the vintage pack, and I believe the modern pack. Then over here you have some lights, just because it gets dark at night and you can easily turn them on. We have the doorbell, nothing fancy. And then we have this cute like little book from the new vintage vibes pack. There's just a cute throw pillow and an umbrella. So then we have the entrance area with masks and an alarm system, because I thought I had to go with the times, you know? BTW, this house is in the modern mansion, and in this room, I did not know what to do with it. I made it this super cute, cozy room. Basically, I believe the fireplace is from the vintage pack, but if not, it's from the Halloween pack. It's super cute, has all sorts of plants and decor, and, you know, just a bunch of cute stuff, and the throw pillow is also from the Bohemian pack, I believe. Okay, so in this area, it has a cute light, a record player, this really cute jacket thing to put on when it gets cold, and some hand sanitizer for your hands. Okay, so now that we are in my living room, that's like cute little area by it. It's just a pretty basic area. It's a big room, so there's multiple spots. There is a couch with these matching stool things and throw pillows, and there's a CD in, and here's my child. There's a plant up there and a picture frame, and then in this area, it just has like a cactus plant in the back, cute little plants on the table, and a chair. Then there's a cute office area or school area for Paige to do her work in, and here's a little sneak peek of her book bag. Okay, so then here's the playroom. The playroom is a bit messy. It says keep out, clubhouse. It has blocks on the floor, cute toys everywhere, crayons on the table, and then we have the bathroom. The bathroom I love so much. I think it came out really cute. Also, BTW, if you use my house, please give credits. But anyway, there's cute little cups and toothbrushes and candles, and there's soap in the back. Honestly, all the details in this room really makes it really cute. Anyways, let's get on to the second floor. Now, all the way back by the pool area, there's this lounge area with a plant and a coffee mug. And then there's obviously the big pool, and then the fireplace area. Hi! Hey. And then I'm gonna take my phone. But anyway, here is the grill, and then there's a cute snack area with a swing. Then these two basic areas, I really like the Venus flytrap. Anyway, now let's show you my kitchen. So in my kitchen, it's kind of bare because I'm doing a restock video on TikTok, which I'm hoping that the video has been uploaded. I'm not sure though. Cleaning supplies are in that one, and then there is a microwave. Anyway, so there's the microwave, and then we have the bread slices and the cheesy bop and some utensils, forks, knives, etc. Also, the mugs and the bowls and the plates, I believe, are all from the resort hotel. One of the floors, the coffee mug you can find basically anywhere. And then down below there is caramel drizzle, which I did get from the Robo Cafe. Anyway, there's just a cute dining table, one spot for me and my daughter to sit at. Then we get to Paige's room, which is probably one of my favorite rooms in the whole house. There's these cute stuffed animals, and then underneath she has some essentials for her hair and a beach bag. Also, sorry for background noise, you know. Anyway, on the top of her dresser, the alarm clock is from the resort, and the water bottle is from the Watermelon Wave Club. So then there's some basic books, and then here is like her clothes. I divided them in the drawers, just because why not. And then we get to the baby room. There's this cute like little blanket. There's toys in this basket. It's a pretty basic room with a diaper bag. We have a globe with the frog thing, a sleeping bag. The frog clock / whatever it's called is from the resort also. The teddy bear is from the hospital. There's bottles and pacifiers and soap and all sorts of fun stuff to change the baby. Then we get to my favorite room, which is my room. There's this glasses and tray on the bed, a basic bed and ottoman, this bag with all my essentials in it. There's like a few things on top of the shelf. This towel I'm using as a blanket, some books, my clothes, and my husband's clothes. And then on the bottom, there's just some random stuff / accessories in there. And then we have my purse and my husband's briefcase. Okay guys, so I hope that you've enjoyed this roleplay. It's not really like a roleplay, but obviously I don't have a husband and I'm not married and I don't have a child, so I guess it's like a roleplay. But this video has been longly requested on my TikTok, so now it is time to do shoutouts. Shoutouts go to the girl on the screen. She has been so helpful, so sweet, and honestly, I love the support that some of you guys give me. It makes me feel so accomplished and makes me want to continue to upload. Also, sorry my upload schedule has been so crazy. I've been uploading almost every day on TikTok, but not on YouTube. However, I'm going to be filling in as much spooky / Halloween / fall videos as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye!